It's your girl Sapphire and I'm back with another video. And for today's video I have a box braid tutorial. So I'm gonna go through the items that you're gonna need to do your hair. You're gonna need mousse to hold in your flyaways once all of your hair is done. I use this once I'm done with all of my braids to give it shine, and it just smells too good. Got to be glue spray. I use jam, shining jam. This is the best thing for me. I just have my rubber band. I'm using some like Gorilla Snap, some more oil for my scalp, and some select hair tools. You need you some weave. Now I love to use Expression. But yes, I do love this hair. It just blends with African American hair so good, and it's long and it's a lot of hair with it. So what I'm going to be doing is sectioning my hair and tying them in sections with the rubber bands. I'm only using rubber bands because I'm lazy, and if you're lazy, it minimizes the amount that you have to grip, because the rubber bands are going to grip your hair. Just make sure you do not put them on too tight, because sis, if you love your hair, you won't put it on too tight. So I got my brother's mirror from his room. But yes, guys, I use this to see the back of my head so I can start to do my boxes. But just know, in the back, you don't have to be so neat. The front is what we're worried about. From ear to ear and like that amount, we're worried about that, sis. Done, barely. When you guys get to the front, you probably can hear that little fan, but when you guys get to the front of your hair, you want to make sure that your parts are nice and straight, especially your middle part and your side part, just in case you ever want to do a side part. I normally do it on my right. Take some more of your shining jam and put it along the part and evenly go through. This part takes a while, so just be patient. Don't do this on a day when you gotta rush, because you'll get a rushing mess once it's done. All right, so I finally finished doing my rubber band. As you guys can see, if you guys can see my little parts, my middle part is like trash. But I'm not wearing it in the middle part. I will be wearing it in the side part. That side part look crisp. It's looking mad crisp. So we're gonna start actually applying the hair. I'm gonna show you guys how I feather the hair, stretch it and all of that. So let's get into this. What I do, I'm gonna take a hair tie. I'm going to section out one row so that I can braid those pieces in a bun. And this is the area that we're gonna be doing. Okay, you see. Okay, so we have our pack of weave. Bundles is thick at 82 inch period. We only do that. So it's going straight to my feet. Is how the hair looks. The ends look like that. I promise you, yo, you don't want to braid your hair with ends like this. You probably seen some girls with ends like that. Boo, I love you, but don't do that. Don't. Back with some big girl scissors. Okay, snapper. Cut it in half. Yeah, we may be using this much for the size of braids that we want, but we're gonna see. If we're not feeling it, we're taking it right out and we're adding more hair, because because I want them nice, long, and medium, not jumbo braids. Oh no, sister. And you can even take a comb at it if you want to. It's your preference. You're gonna find a way to do it that you like to do it, sis, and you're gonna run with it. Okay. Hair section, we have the hair feathered, and we're gonna actually start with our piece of hair. We're gonna take our first section, and this is our first section. I do need my clips, can't find them though, so looks like we just vibing like this. Some people put their fingers in it, but I don't. So I'm gonna take the hair. I take it with both of my hands like this, and I just put the little loop right there on the base, and then I start to braid my natural hair and the 2 other strands of hair like you would do a regular braid in your hair. And once, before my natural hair starts to get short, you guys, I start to try to add it into the other pieces of hair because I don't really want it that small. I added some more hair to it because I wasn't feeling the size, you guys. So this should be the size, most likely it is, but yeah. One side, let it be smaller, and the other side should be a little thicker. And I'm on my second pack of hair. That first pack gave me 7 braids. Okay. Ooh, period. Ooh, my lips. Oh man. You know we spinning band.
In the meantime, should we just do a quick search for...
more braids, sis. 2 more braids. My hair is so sleek down, like my natural hair. It's not noticeable in my braids because my hair is black at the moment too. So you got to know how your hair feels as well. And yeah, look, I'm liking it though. Let me look at the back on my thing. Now my parts could have been better. You feel me? Like, it looks decent. The braids itself are nice. So, and that's, you're gonna learn, guys. You get better and better. I'm not the best with box braids, but each time I do it, I see me progress. Okay, so I have my water. I'm about to do my ends, and I just have a towel and I split it into 2 parts. So this part is what I'll be dipping first, and I didn't fill it all the way with water. Remember to keep your towel near. Don't do this by yourself, kids. Disclaimer. Have someone else dip it for you if you're not used to this. And remember, you need to get them out of the water fast before you get curly ends. We do not want that. And I learned that when I first started doing these. Had some curly ends, leaving it in there too long. Other side to the front. And I'm going to just take that, and we're going to dump those in there, making sure we get all of the ends. The mousse first, and just take a lot, you guys. You should have like a blow dryer, but mine is far away from me right now and I'm not going to get it. And you just want to apply the mousse on the actual braids, and this is going to keep your flyaways in from your hair, any flyaways that are actually out. It's going to make these braids last and look so good when everything sets. And then you could just end it off with a little bit of freeze spray to get everything nice and set. You feel me? And then maybe do another little wave underneath. So after you put your mousse, I actually sprayed some Got2b free spray on there to try to keep down everything else. So what I'm gonna do is take a hair scarf and just get my hair ready for tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know any more braided hairstyles that you guys would like me to do. I am open to try new things. I think I want to start a series of me trying to try out certain braided hairstyles, like high up ponytails. I want to challenge myself like that and see how I do it from a picture that I like. So if you guys want to see videos like that, let me know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow on my social medias that are in the description box below. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video, and stay tuned. Bye.